Hey everybody, we're back at it again. So it looks like today we're going to be doing an oil change on the truck over there. Oil change and then a radiator flush, changing out the oil filter and then also the fuel filter. Let's get after it. I don't know if this is gonna be a problem, but when I was trying to put this plastic mat to the oil change, looks like there's oil everywhere. And there's like oil coated here, there. I think it dripped. Well, I think the mechanics overfilled this oil a little bit. It's supposed to be 20 to 22 quarts and pretty much have 5 gallons here, plus this, plus another helpful place. So we'll see. Maybe that's why that leak is going on by the engine over there. There's too much oil. This is by far my least favorite part, is the oil filter. Oh yeah, there we go. There, we did it. All right, got the replacement oil filter, kept it OE, original equipment, R1R180. 7. I'm just gonna put a ring of oil, of new oil around here and put some new fresh oil inside to get it ready. How many more turns? Hard to say. Should we like opening up Pandora's box. All right, I'm gonna try to do my best to clean up this oil here. I'm gonna clean it up, turn on the truck, and if there's still a leak persisting, we'll go from there. Check on the reservoir. As in P&W fashion, light drizzle. That looks like it's gone. Alright, so I'm doing the flush now. I'm gonna put all those bottles in the coolant area. Once I start seeing red, we're good to go. Alright, so here's the results. We got almost a full 5-gallon bucket here and then half of a 5-gallon bucket here, so I'm thinking that's 6.5 gallons. So I'm gonna put the same amount back in. Let's do it. This is interesting. So I'm already seeing radiator coolant on the bottom. It's the red stuff I put in. I'm gonna keep going until I start seeing it in the top, and then we'll go from there. just finished the oil change and radiator flush, and drive this thing back to storage, and hopefully the thing survives.